Havana is a magical and alluring city with the twists and turns of its fascinating history and rich culture revealed in the kaleidoscope of its inhabitants and the startling diversity of its architecture. There is no consistency anywhere, and every street offers a unique collection of images that make people stop and stare. Police officers on active duty lean against brutalist office buildings from the Soviet era. Santerra devotees stroll past neo-Gothic churches while dressed entirely in white. Lines of sophisticated elderly socialities form outside Art Deco theaters, and taxi drivers wearing baseball caps advertise rides in their 50-year-old Bigs and Chevrolets in front of neoclassical storefronts. Nearly every street, especially in the city center, seems to have a fascinating tale to tell. Whether it be about colonial splendor, bygone elegance, economic struggle, or revolutionary change, and occasionally all of these condensed into a single block. Havana, which was named one of the new Seven Wonders city in June 2016, offers attractions for every type of traveler. From international marinas with the first-rate facilities for those who prefer water sports and activities to landscapes and ecotourist activities for those who enjoy the great outdoors. Habana Vieja, the city's historic core and the UNESCO World Heritage Site, is still the best place to learn about Cuba's past. At notable locations like the Cathedral de San Cristobal and Castillo de la Real Fuerza, the architecture brings the past to life, while the cultural centers of Plaza de Armas and Plaza Vieja offer a stark contrast by radiating the vibrant social life of modern Cuba. Even though you'll certainly visit this well-known avenue several times during your stay in Havana, taking a stroll along the seashore in the evening as the sun sets across the bay is still an unforgettable experience. Enter the Hotel Nacional to watch the Cabaret Parisien's retro performance. The magnificent strongholds of Morro y Caba stand over the ocean, looking down on Habana Vieja. El Morro, which still has barracks and cannons from earlier eras, used to be the first line of defense against pirate invasions. The military history continues at La Caba, another castle constructed in response to the British invasion, which is only half a mile away. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The Paseo del Prado was Havana's first paved street, and it has maintained its opulent status over the years. Rich European-inspired architecture was introduced to this promenade in the 1900s. While stopping at the Gran Teatro Theater or the post-revolutionary National Capitol, onlookers prefer to look at the rows of ornate homes and hotels. The beachfront community of Jaimanitas, also known as Fusterlandia, is a real-life open-air museum of art. It is a treat to let the mind wander on a carefree trip through the vibrant area packed with sculptures, mosaics and murals, all thanks to the restless creative mind of Cuban artist José Fuster. Tourists come from far and wide looking for inspiration in these streets. During your visit you must sample some traditional Cuban foods, such as rice and beans and grilled meats. Restaurante Café del Oriente La Guarida and Bella Habana are excellent choices if you wish to eat authentic Caribbean cuisine. Try Flor de Lota or Tien Tan's blend of Chinese and Caribbean influences, or if you're craving seafood, try El Litoral, Mediterraneo Havana or Paladar Vistamar. Make sure to visit a few cafes, including Bar Bilbao or Bar La Dichosa, for their classic sandwiches. To find street food sellers selling pig burgers and coconut pies, go to Bishop Street or take a short stroll from any busy area.